Hi guys, it's Brianna. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be going over what I got during Gymshark's huge sale. I think it's their summer sale. Not exactly sure, but they had up to 70% off and I was like, you know what? I'm not a huge Gymshark wearer and I love their pieces. I just never buy them. And they're actually pretty affordable too. So the fact that I got a bunch of stuff for a really good price, and I think I got all of this for under $200. I was like, why not? And then why not use it as a reason to record a try-on haul of the cute items I got during the sale. So here's the bag. And also just really quickly wanted to say thank you so much for all the new subscribers. I honestly never ever thought I would even get close to almost 1,000, because we're almost at 1,000, which is insane because my last video actually did pretty good. So thank you guys so much for the love and support, and let's try on this Gymshark. All right, look at all these goodies. I'm so excited. This is one thing I've been waiting for, and we're going to Hawaii in literally 5 days. I was really hoping this would be here before then. So it is, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But yeah, so only got 5 things at the moment. Would have gone crazy getting more stuff, but it is what it is. Okay, so just checked, and these are the Gymshark loose training fit shorts. And I'll also add a little screenshot so you guys can see, and if you want them yourself. I'm not a big loose clothes type of person, but you know, you gotta follow the trends sometimes and try stuff out. So this is what they look like. Super cute waistband with the Gymshark logo. The material feels very breathable, not super stretchy, but I think that's how they're meant to be. Ooh, instant love. I love these little like rubber things to hold up, whether it's on bandeaus and leggings. So that's a plus. I already love these, so let's try them on. And I got these in a size extra small. Okay guys, I'm currently in my just chill outfit. I don't know, I like wearing comfy clothes all the time, but transition. Okay, these are actually really cute. If you wear your regular size, they're kind of loose fit. I guess I really like that they are form-fitting on the waist and then roomy for the glutes. I've never really worn anything like this, but it's kind of a vibe and I kind of like it. Actually makes my legs look really nice. Get up close. Bro, my bones are just cracking. So yeah, love this little Gymshark logo right here. Little slits that go up slightly right here. Is this stretchy? Oh no, it's like little, I don't know if you can see it. There's little holes right there. And then I think you could squat in these. I don't know. Up to you, up to your preference. So these are just nice running shorts. I've gotten into running lately, so these would probably be really nice. All right, next, just tried on the loose fit shorts, and I actually really like them. I'm normally like I said, a very tight clothes wearing person, but I really like how comfy these are, and it doesn't feel too tight. Honestly, and it feels like it'll stay up. Not that it would fall down, but I love it. 100% recommend if you guys want to try out something new. Why not? So I decided to buy 2 of these in 2 different colors because they look really nice on the model. And they are the Gymshark running legging. And I'll attach obviously the pictures right here so you guys can see before I try it on. Whenever I see a new type of legging, I have to try it. I'm very picky. And like I said, I kind of like my Alphalete Navigation. That's my go-to gym leggings. These are really cute. So let's see. These have a cute little waistband, kind of like these. And I love the material. Oh my god, my nail. I thought it was ripped it. Very cute. This is the magenta. Has cute little designs here on the front. It has a little back pocket, but it's cute because it is like a see-through mesh type thing, and then it has that little pocket right here. Work with me. So yeah, so this kind of took me a minute to put on just because the waist is a little more snug. They almost feel like you're not wearing anything. They're cute, kind of just like this. And obviously you can like pull it up in there if you want, or just kind of leave it out. Either way, super cute. Obviously here's the strings. Again, if you saw my previous video, I am only 4'11", so I have a very, very short torso, so I always have to roll things down. Here's the little design. Goes all the way down the leg. The waist does feel a little snug, but if you don't mind that, great. If you do, probably size up. But everything else from here down fits exactly how I love my leggings to fit. Okay guys, so once again, here is the gray, same exact design, the Gymshark running legging. The little design kind of wraps around and goes to the middle of the leg. And I'm pretty sure these are squat proof. Yeah. Alright guys, so that is all for the leggings I wanted to try out. Definitely very comfortable. I love the fit. The waist is a little bit more snug, but if you like that, great. If you don't, you don't, it's okay. The last two things I got are both sweatpants, because who doesn't love sweatpants lately? That is, again, just the cute style, and I love it even when it's 100 degrees out. So these are both the rest day sweat joggers. So this one's in lilac, and then this one, I'm not sure the color, but it's a really pretty blue tealish color. So yeah, let's go try it on. Okay guys, so here is the lilac. This one I had to get in a size small, so one size bigger, just because they were all sold out and they only had a small left, but I love the color and still wanted them, so went with a small. And it's a lavender marl, so as you guys can see, it's really cute. These are kind of big, but who doesn't love a big sweat? This one has the cuffed ankles, which I love compared to like the open style, flare style. So you can see everything. This one specifically does not have the cotton inside. It's more like it's a little more rough. I don't know how to explain it, but which probably makes it more breathable and probably doesn't make you as hot. I feel like this one makes me look like I don't have a booty. It's okay. I guess I can also show you guys the sizing difference with a small versus an extra small when I put this one on as well. So here's the small again. 4'11", 119 pounds at the moment. All right guys, so here is the size small. Prefer the fit of this more just because I'm a very petite person. Very chill vibes, meant to be baggy, kind of love it. All right guys, so that is it for my Gymshark Summer Sale try on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know that was only about 5 items, but that's what I got, and I wanted to share with you guys really quickly. I did want to say, because I was kind of looking back at the footage, I didn't really notice it when I was trying it on, but I'm not a huge fan of the fit of the running legging, only because it's not flattering on the butt, almost at all. If anything, it makes me look like I have a long butt or something, I don't know. Not a fan of that. That's why I kind of like scrunch, and the seam just goes so high, literally, it just makes my butt look really long, and I don't like that personally. Not a fan of that, and I realized the waist is very tight. From the footage earlier, it kind of just, it looks too tight, and it doesn't look very flattering on me. Not flattering on the booty. Simple as that. Yeah, other than that, I absolutely love the shorts. Definitely a new staple I am going to be adding into my closet. And love, love, love the sweatpants, because you can never go wrong with sweatpants because they're just so comfortable. I hope you guys enjoyed. I do have more videos planned, so keep an eye out. I do plan on doing a review of the Crop Shop Boutique Isabel Mathers collection when it first dropped. So those items finally came in, and I'm gonna do a Lazuli label try on haul as well for all their new pieces. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. I hope you guys love these videos. I really enjoy trying on all the favorite gym wear, active wear brands. If you guys have any other brands you want me to try, comment down below. This is Teddy, by the way. He looks like a little fox, but he's a Pomeranian. This is Mochi. I have 4, by the way, but they're the 2 that are social. I will see you guys in the next video. Is he smiling? What are you doing?